With exceptional off-road capabilities and impressive load-bearing capacity, these specialized vehicles are indispensable in the transportation industry. However, the journey through dense forest paths and deep, muddy swamps, hauling logs weighing tons, is always a perilous and thrilling challenge. In the wild and challenging nature, the true power of machinery is truly showcased. The John Deere 1110D truck struggles through the deep mud and the harsh terrain, its wheels spinning but still pushing forward with impressive force. This scene highlights the remarkable off-road capability and relentless strength of this machine against the harsh elements of nature. In the harsh, muddy conditions, the 125 horsepower engine of the John Deere 1110D roars powerfully, delivering steady force to each wheel. With its high torque and impressive off-road performance, this machine demonstrates relentless strength in an environment full of challenges. The JCB excavator operates powerfully, its crane arm reaching high to lift the massive log and slowly push it onto the truck bed. Amidst the roar of the engine, each precise and decisive movement places the heavy log onto the truck, creating a scene that is both visually striking and full of force. The machinery begins to showcase its superior power. The powerful Valtra forestry tractor cuts through the damp forest, its wheels sinking deep into the mud, rolling massive logs vertically. The engine roars, and the remarkable strength of the machine allows it to easily overcome the challenging conditions, efficiently harvesting wood in this harsh environment. The powerful engine of the Mercedes truck, combined with the front axle from the T150K tractor and the rear axle and tires from the K701, forms a formidable machine. On the rugged path, each component works in harmony, overcoming rough terrain and deep mud, proving its exceptional strength. Don't hesitate. Subscribe to the channel to follow these thrilling journeys. A thrilling scene unfolds as the JCB truck and Shaktiman work together to rescue the truck stuck in deep mud. Both powerful machines simultaneously pull and lift, their wheels spinning in the thick mud, with each precise movement leading to a successful rescue in this challenging situation. Oh no! The modified truck carrying eucalyptus logs suddenly tumbles down the hillside, its wheels sliding across the steep, muddy terrain. The cause could be the excessive weight, combined with the poor road conditions, causing the truck to lose balance and become uncontrollable. In this tense moment, the power of the machinery and the skill of the operator are on full display. The Volvo EC240B Escalum excavator roars powerfully, its wheels spinning wildly in the deep hole. With the operator's dexterity and unwavering determination, the excavator gradually frees itself, showcasing both exceptional control and the machine's superior strength. In flooded conditions, the powerful Cat 994 excavator operates relentlessly. Its bucket arm reaches deep into the ground, each scoop lifting dirt and rocks, undeterred by the harsh environment. The strength and durability of the excavator are clearly demonstrated in every forceful movement. The Belarus MTZ-892 forestry tractor is deeply stuck in the mud, unable to free itself. Immediately, the powerful MTZ-1025 tractor moves in, its cable taut, with each strong pull helping to rescue the machine from the difficult situation, demonstrating superior strength and flawless coordination. Leave a like or subscribe if you're intrigued by these scenes and want to explore more with me. Amid the mud and challenges, the true power of machinery is put to the test. The Logset 6F tractor is deeply stuck in the mud, its wheels spinning but unable to move. The heavy machine stands still in the swamp, its crane arm still reaching out to haul logs. This tense scene showcases strength and perseverance in the face of harsh conditions. It's truly incredible to witness the power of these heavy-duty machines. The Caterpillar 385C excavator roars loudly, digging deep into the earth, while the powerful Caterpillar D9T bulldozer pushes soil aside, clearing a path for the Komatsu dump truck. The three machines work in perfect harmony, with each powerful and precise movement creating a scene of immense strength and efficiency. Unbelievable. The D6G bulldozer is completely stuck in deep mud, struggling and unable to move. In this critical situation, the Hitachi 200 excavator appears, powerfully pulling the bulldozer out of the swamp. This dramatic rescue showcases the strength and flawless coordination between the two heavy-duty machines. When things get tense, the true power of machinery is revealed. The Mahindra 475Di tractor is deeply stuck in the mud, unable to move. Immediately, the powerful JCB 3DX steps in, using its strength to pull the tractor free. The rescue scene is full of tension but incredibly effective. Oh no. A truly dramatic and fun sight. The powerful JCB 145 excavator is washing a truck, while two JCB 3DX owners joyfully test their driving skills on the river. These heavy-duty machines race across the water, splashing powerful waves, creating a scene that's both humorous and impressive amid the wild nature.